Welcome to Environmental Science, featuring
Siyensikula.
performed by Pola Cluster.
Ladies and gentlemen, air pollution refers to the presence of harmful substances in the air such as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter. These pollutants can be emitted from industries, vehicles, and even natural sources like wildfires. Air pollution poses health risks including respiratory issues and cardiovascular problems.
Water pollution occurs when harmful substances such as chemicals, pesticides, and industrial waste contaminate our water sources. This pollution can have severe consequences for aquatic life, leading to ecosystem imbalances and the endangerment of species. It is essential that we protect our water bodies from pollution through proper waste management and regulation.
Soil pollution refers to the contamination of soil with harmful substances such as heavy metals, pesticides, and chemical fertilizer. Those pollutants degrade soil quality, affecting agricultural productivity and posing risk to human health when crops absorb them. We must promote sustainable farming practices and reduce the use of harmful chemicals to prevent soil pollution.
Light pollution refers to the excessive or misdirected artificial lights that disrupts natural ecosystems and affects human health. It can interfere with nocturnal animals' behavior, disrupt sleep patterns in humans, and affect the astronomical observation. Implementing proper lighting techniques and using shielded light fixtures, it can help reduce light pollution.
Thermal pollution occurs when there is a significant increase or decrease in the natural temperature of a water body due to human activities. It is commonly caused by the discharge of heated water from industrial processes or power plants into rivers, lakes, or oceans. This sudden change in temperature can disrupt aquatic ecosystems, reduce oxygen levels, and adversely affect fish and other aquatic organisms.
Plastic pollution. Plastic pollution refers to the excessive accumulation of plastic waste in the environment, particularly in the oceans and waterways. Plastic takes hundreds of years to break down, and its presence has detrimental effects on marine life, causing entanglement and ingestions. It also contributes to the degradation of water quality and the destruction of ecosystems.
Radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution occurs when radioactive substances are released into the environment as a result of nuclear accident, improper disposal of nuclear waste, or nuclear weapon testing. It poses serious health risks to living organisms and can contaminate air, water, soil, and food sources. Exposure to radioactive materials can cause genetic mutations, cancer, radiation sickness, and other detrimental effects.
Visual pollution. Visual pollution refers to the presence of unsightly and distracting man-made objects in the environment, with examples including litter, billboards, graffiti, and improper stored waste. It disrupts the natural beauty of landscapes and urban areas, affects the aesthetics of their surroundings, and can have negative psychological impacts on individuals.
Noise pollution refers to the excessive or disturbing levels of noise that disrupt the normal functioning of humans, animals, or the environment. Surface of noise pollution include transportation, traffic, aircraft, industrial activities, construction sites, and loud music. Prolonged exposure to high noise levels can have adverse effects on human health, including hearing loss, stress, sleep disturbance, and impaired communication.
Marine pollution is the contamination of ocean and sea due to human activities. It can occur from various sources, including plastic waste, oil spill, sewage discharge, and chemical runoffs, and the ocean dumping.
Agricultural pollution. Agricultural pollution refers to the contamination of soil, water, and air due to agricultural practices. The excessive use of pesticides, fertilizers, and herbicides can lead to the contamination of water bodies and affect the quality of soil and crops. Agricultural pollution can also lead to the eutrophication, biodiversity loss, and affect the human health and wildlife.
Noise pollution occurs when excessive or annoying sounds disrupt the environment, such as traffic noise, construction activities, or loud music. Prolonged exposure to high noise levels can lead to sleep disturbances, hearing loss, and increased stress levels. It is crucial to implement noise reduction measures such as soundproofing and stricter noise regulations.
Industrial pollution refers to the contamination of the environment by industrial processes. It includes emission of pollutants into the air, discharge of toxic substances into water bodies, and improper disposal of waste. Industrial pollution contribute to air and water pollution, soil degradation, and poses health risks to both human and wildlife.
Chemical pollution. Chemical pollution involves the release of harmful chemicals into the environment, either intentionally or unintentionally. It can result from industrial activities, mining, improper waste disposal, and the use of pesticides or toxic substances. Chemical pollution can have detrimental effects on human and animal health, contaminate soil and water, and lead to long-term environmental damage.
Hazardous waste. Hazardous waste pollution occurs when toxic and hazardous materials are not disposed of properly. It includes waste from industrial processes, household and medical facilities. Improper disposal can lead to the release of dangerous chemicals, which contaminate soil, groundwater, and surface water, posing severe health risks to living organisms.
Noise pollution refers to excessive and disturbing levels of noise that disrupt the normal functioning of human, animals, and the environment.
Light pollution. As you mentioned earlier, light pollution refers to the excessive and intrusive artificial lighting that causes the night sky to glow, disrupting natural ecosystem and human health.
Thermal pollution occurs when there is significant change in the natural temperature of a water body due to human activities.
As I mentioned earlier, radioactive pollution occurs when radioactive materials are released into the environment, posing significant health risks to this organism and causing environmental contamination.
Land pollution refers to the degradation of the land due to human activities. It includes the accumulation of solid waste, improper disposal of household garbage, littering, industrial waste, and landfill leachate. Land pollution can lead to soil degradation of lost fertile land, contamination of groundwater, and the destruction of ecosystem.
Thanks for watching.